The best way to engage your husband will depend on his individual interests and preferences. However, here are some general tips that may be helpful. Communicate openly. Communication is key to building a strong relationship. Make sure you are regularly talking with your husband about his interests, passions, and hobbies, and show genuine interest in what he has to say. Find common interests. Look for activities or hobbies that you both enjoy and can do together. This can be anything from cooking to hiking to watching a favorite TV show. Plan regular date nights. Make an effort to regularly spend quality time together. This can be as simple as a weekly movie night or a monthly dinner out. Support his hobbies and interests. Encourage your husband to pursue his passions and hobbies, even if they are different from your own. This will help him feel supported and appreciated. Be spontaneous. Surprise your husband with spontaneous gestures of love and appreciation, such as leaving a note on his pillow or cooking his favorite meal. Remember, the key to engaging your husband is to make an effort to connect with him on a regular basis, show genuine interest in his life, and make him feel loved and appreciated.